Hi, in the previous video I explained to you the basics of manufacturability. Let me now show you more specifics of how manufacturability actually works using an actual example. If we look at the chart, we can see that down the left-hand side there's the number of parts, the number of good parts, that is the functions the customer gets, the number of steps to produce, the manufacturing complexity score, the actual time to make all of the parts, the number of operators and the number of fasteners involved. If we now look at the next column along, which is the baseline, and this is, for example, a drawing or a past design. So a drawing if you're a make-to-drawing manufacturer, past design if you're design responsible. We can see that the number of parts in this example is 11, the number of good parts is 1, the manufacturing steps to produce all of the parts is 104, the manufacturing complexity score is 1517, the actual time to manufacture is 3.75 hours, the number of operators is 3 and the number of fasteners is 8. If we now look at the next column, which is we call low innovation, and this is typically what a make-to-drawing result looks like. So if you're a make-to-drawing supplier, this is the column that reflects your results. So we've gone from 11 to 9, and that's because we've been able to consolidate some parts as we manufacture them. The number of steps to produce has gone from 104 down to 65. The manufacturing complexity score has more than halved from 1500 down to 621. And the actual time to manufacture has gone from 3.75 hours to 2.62 hours, a 30% reduction. And this is a fairly typical result that you'll get if you're a make-to-drawing supplier from doing better manufacturability. If, however, you're a design-responsible supplier, then you'll get the results typically under the heading of medium innovation. As you can see, the number of parts has gone from 11 to 7. The number of steps to produce all of the parts has gone from 104 to 13, and that's because we've been able to redesign the whole design down to a much simpler design. And that's resulted in the manufacturing complexity score going from 1500 down to 104, so a 93% reduction in the complexity of our manufacturability. And the actual time to manufacture has gone from 3.75 hours down to 1.03 hours, a 72% reduction. If you're, and these are examples actually that comes from biotech or furniture, or as I said in the last, I've just done a defence example, and the defence example I've completed recently is fairly close to the results you see there for the design responsible results. It's also been used in metal manufacturing, metal components, plastics, and it's also been used in the electronics industry. So whatever your business, whether you're a simple make-to-drawing or whether you're a design-responsible business, better manufacturability can deliver lower costs and higher profits to your business. Thank you.